Hey, so if you want to record your screen quickly and make it look clean and professional, yeah, Tella makes it super easy. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to record your screen step by step. First, go to Tella and log into your account. If you don't have one, just sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, click on New Video to start a new recording. Now select what you want to record. You can choose your full screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. You can also turn on your webcam and microphone if you want to record yourself while presenting. Click the record button and you'll see a short countdown, then your recording starts. You can pause anytime and continue recording in parts if needed. So yeah, no need to be perfect. Tella records in clips, which means you can redo small sections instead of restarting everything. When you're done, stop the recording and review your clips. Now you can trim clips, remove mistakes, and rearrange everything easily. You can also add zoom effects, layouts, or backgrounds to improve your video. Once you're happy with your video, click Finish, then download it or share it using a link. So yeah, that's how you record your screen with Tella from start to finish. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for quick videos. If this helped, check out more guides like this.